So let's do so. I'll do the same as I did on watch list. So I'll do the same as I did on watch list. Here's the views. I'll have to create a views in same. So I'll actually just do the same thing on the watch list. So define, call it winning. Let's say auction. Auction equals auction. Objects filter user equals request.user. No. I can say winner equals, because this is the model, so like winner, equals request.user. It is supposed to return auction. Now you can actually just go to make it prettier. You can go to watch list. I'll just duplicate. New file and say winner.html. So watch this. Let's copy this, paste it here, and for item in options, I think it's auction. Yeah. For item in auctions, item so you're gonna figure out that this auction.name auction, so this is the same thing. So auction.name ID photo item current bid item number item description item you will want to remove this, so item no winning bids found. And I'll have to create a winning bids. I'll create a layout. Call it winner. So like I think I'll call it winner, and I'll only show the ones that are inactive. So like in views here, I'll just say filter winner equals and say active equals false. Due to urls.py, I'll go here and just post path. Views dot winning, put a name, I'll call it winning, and just winning slash Winner. I call it winner. I call it winner. I think it's better. Anyways, just auctions. Winner. Then in layout, you got winner. So like winner bids. Anyway, so let's test that thing out. Let's test it out. So winner bids. So here I will say this winner bids. We can call this what? Let's see. Options. I think. And in here you can just say you can actually just do some HTML just to page 4 is a winner. Yeah, this is the CSS part. You can actually put class equals closed just to point out like the color of it. So static. No, it's inside of here. It's inside of static. Just to not close. Color it red. Um, this is so crazy because if I do background color red, it works. I mean, there's of having this, we can winning bits instead of having this active equals false. We can say in the winner, just do an if auction item dot active. We can just say and then else. So else. And if so. Sorry for being so slow. I'm so slow sometimes. I just say winning. On index, I'll just say winning bids. I'm sorry, winning. No winning bids found. So if I say I want to bid, then I want to say I'm winning. And then if I log out, log in. it's tons of users. To the creator account, which is example user example, and you can see here if I close it, one current bit. If I close it, you see this is example user account. The winner, it's currently closed, and then yeah, winner closed. We can also class equal closed. So yeah, current bid to yeah, basically professional icon, like pro because it's professional. Okay, so yeah, so now we are in a bug. So we have to do a filter. This is something that I was like thinking. This is you can do it with a filter. This is just a functional programming. This ain't no object-oriented programming. It's just all functional. Filter dot exists, or like if you can do it another way. If function dot active, if not function not active, so like we'll return this. Now this is tons of bad programming, repeating all those things. It's really bad. We'll return this, but I want to add messages dot error auction already closed. And on watch list, we may remove it when we add to watch list. Like if auction in watch list, we can do if auction active, to pass the request object, sorry. Auction already closed. It no longer allows to add to watch list. Watch list. And you can do something like this: auction active equals true. No longer active. Missing count. So if I am waiting on this one, then it's closed. If I want to create another, let's test it out.